up with you?
Bro, I know it's hard, but don't let the past affect your future.
Adapt. You Haitian man, you over there. You quiet, you soft, okay? Oh, you need to get some dew or something.
Come on. Hurry.
Okay, I'll be back, okay? Okay, guys, I'm coming.
Come on, Lala. We gotta go.
Been waiting for this. Yeah, you gonna get me, Jonas. There they go over there. I'm here. Get me. Fatigué, man. Hey, Kaka! I see you talking to the Suli baby.
Shut up and let him speak. Yo, Jake!
Yeah, I've been waiting for this. That's the guy you talking about? Of course it is.
Bro, you do not want to mess with that guy.
Man, I ain't trying to hear nothing like that, man. Hey, I've been waiting for this moment right here.
Shut your light-skinned self up. Trying to act all hard.
Yeah, I'm light-skinned, but I'm still a dark. I'm a wig splitter, I'm a tall figure, I'm a unforgiving wild dog. Something wrong with him, got him all bitter. I'm a bill.
C'est samedi, monsieur, oui. I told him, man. Whoa. God is talking to me.
Just have faith. God, I really need your help right now. Please, send some people our way.
What's he saying?
Somebody needs some help. Hold on to me. No. My head.
Hold on. Wakanda forever!
You said it wrong. And that's my line. Haiti Forever!
I'm fine too. Thank you so much. She don't want you, clown.
You always gotta bring your big head out here.
Oh, I got a big head?
Yeah.
You the one that got a big head.
She giving you problem blood then?
Yeah.
What?
Let's say avec you joke là.
Looking
Let
for
them
this?
talk and what's your problem?
Gosh.
The weak will die, and so will you for letting these cockroaches live.
I can handle him.
I got this.
You should wait until after the war, or else King David will send us to prison for war crimes.
Fine. You coward.
You a coward, man. You don't do nothing, man.
Let you down. All these voices in my head.